Hello, boys and girls. Yes, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary. Yes, it's binary time. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku seems not a 3 stars but a 2 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku seems not a 4 stars but a 2 stars. In today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, still Tuesdays, August the 16th, 2022. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. They call it Cyberblock in Dutch. And the first, and the, not the first, the binary. Yes, it's time for the binary puzzles, boys and girls. This will be number 5024. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes in 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 1s comes an O, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then, let me think. We need to compare. No. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. But look, this row and that row almost the same. It's almost the same. So yeah, here 2 digits are left. There also 2 digits are left, but we need to compare. We have 1, 2 rows to compare. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, do we have a 1 0 1 0? No. So we need double 1 here. This row and that row. 1 1 1 1 1 1 empty box, so we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules. So here can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Alright. And now need to compare again. Well. How about the columns then? This column and the first column. 1 1 empty box 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then need to compare again. Don't believe this. Yeah, don't believe this. How about the double one? Oh, almost the same. These two columns. How about the? Oh, I've told you this one and that one is almost the same. Yeah, before now we have filled those two digits. Let me compare 1 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. A lot of comparing, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.